This bit's a bit rough here. A bit wet. Oh. Just where some big tractor marks have been. Oh. Just hold on tight. So good morning and welcome back to the Tom Lamb YouTube channel. So today we're just doing a bit of cultivating, as you can see, getting that done and out of the way. And just because we've finished harvest doesn't mean that everybody else has finished harvest. So we are still filling up the last of one of the grain stores with some more wheat, with another farmer bringing some wheat in. So that's going well, so we'll have a look at that in a bit. But I bought myself a new drone, a DJI 4, sorry, Pro, because I thought, yeah, I'm not getting too bad at these videos. I'm gonna treat myself. Literally, I don't know what to think of it. Picture's fantastic. This is the picture it does. Look, absolutely brilliant. All really nice and sharp and real good quality. And then after that, it just starts losing signal all the time and decides to drop out of the sky every now and again. So it goes along here like this, hits the cab. That's the end of that then.
What's happened, Tom? What's happened?
Well, it's been farmed. Here you go, Colin.
That's why I don't leave anything up Tom's farm, if I can help it.
We need to try
I
and
see the problem here, Tom, man.
Yeah, the arms come off.
Well, you just flick it out.
I think so, don't break it anymore. We're going to try and glue the arm back together to fly it. We've got some tape to tape its arm back on. Come on. Then we'll try and fly it in a minute.
Oh, yeah. Fly it in the wall of death.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It can only go so far.
Well, I'm probably going to crash it again. You watch, we'll fly it and it'll just fly off somewhere and hit the side of the wall, smash it even more.
I had a cheap one sent to me by Hobby King. It was like 150 quid. And I switched that on and it's just kamikazed itself straight in the side of the truck. Because the blooming thing couldn't find its GPS. It was a load of crap, really.
The next issue, one of the blades has snapped. But luckily, we've got spares.
They knew you were going to do this.
They knew I was going to do this after a couple of minutes of flying it. A little screw there, look.
Oh, gee, was that small? I ain't got my glasses on. Right, what
Colin
blade is it?
Well, there's a left and right.
Well, I know.
I don't know. Which one's A and which one? Oh, look, there's B.
Yeah, but this one ain't got everything written on it.
Is it going to work?
They are, look.
Oh, isn't this good? Oh, it's not working.
What do you mean it's not working?
Oh, it is.
When Tom knocked on the door and said I've broke my drone, the gimbal avoidance thingy or whatever it's supposed to have on it, and I said, Tom, did you read the instructions? And he said, no. I wouldn't have either, to be fair.
The tape's fixed it. Can you believe it? Look at the tape holding the propeller arm on. Off it goes. Whee! So it's all fixed, Colin?
Wow.
Well done.
Apart from some sensor things it don't like.
Yeah, there's a sensor it doesn't like, but I think we're all right. Right, we're going to do some more filming. Obviously, those sensors don't work. It's supposed to have those sensors on that tell you that... What's it saying here?
Avoidance.
Yeah, don't like that sensor. Yeah. Well, it never did when I first got it. Look, put your hand underneath. Oh, look, it does work. I'm not even touching it, look. So the bottom one works, but if the front one had have worked, it wouldn't have crashed. That's me doing that. No, those front... No. I think it's because it's made in China. I was quite looking forward to filming this tipping with a drone, but that's not going to happen now, unfortunately. Well, it might do, actually. I'll see how I get on. Oh, what's the door? Oh yeah. The door hitting has been averted. You can go up a lot more yet. You got loads more room. Getting full again in here. Now I've got to just shove that in and just shove it around these sides here. Shoving the weight up in this shed again. Had a hydraulic pipe blow the other day, so if I let that down. JCB's now covered it. It's when if you watch regularly, I'd change a big pipe in there and it sort of blew everywhere, and now it wants cleaning. I ain't got around to it yet. I'll put the push on in a minute. I need to get in it as much in here as possible because we're starting to run out of room. And we're going to have to go put some more dividing walls in and put them in the other shed. So our next job is to get the roller shutter door down because obviously it's all bent. Not sure how that happened, but yeah. Oh, I've just flown the drone again. So here it is, just flying in the grain store. Fluid up here, up the heap nicely. It's okay, but still not quite happy with it. So yeah, let's do the door instead. What a mess. There's all the bearing all smashed to bits. Just gonna slide the motor off the end, take the bolts out, then the whole door will just pull out these slots here. This side, it's not even broken the bearing. So that's all right, not even twisted any of the steel, so we're just gonna take it out and just slot the new one straight in whilst the JCB holds it. And just slotted it out the slots. There's the state of the door. And then this gearbox and motor just slides off the end, so we're gonna tie that up there and then lower this mess down to the floor. Yeah, that is completely bent, that. We'll just take this off and bolt that back up there so it's out of the way. And job's a good one. At least the motor's all right. And that is what we call a big heap of scrap. Yeah. Anyway, another job done. So after repairing the door, I thought I'm going to go and have a go with the drone again. You know, I really want to see what's wrong with this and try and figure it out. Anyway, I started it up. Up it goes. Then all of a sudden, it's just gone. It just crashes into one of the buildings, and I'm like, well, that wasn't me because I wasn't even flying it, so there must be something wrong with them. And then I've read a forum online, and there's a lot of people having the same issues. The crash sensors don't work. They're doing whatever they want. And then did a bit here as well. I saw, because usually you can't go above 120 meters usually flying it, because I only ever go to like 10, 20 meters anyway, just flying around machinery. Anyway, I started it up again. Off it goes, and that was it. Off it goes. Don't know where it went. It just kept on going and going and going. Went to over like a mile high or something ridiculous. Tried to do a forced landing, wouldn't do anything. The only way it came down was when it ran out of battery and it just dropped to a heap on the floor. So that's what's happened just here. This is unbelievable. It's literally just dropped out the sky. Oh dear. You know the best place for this. So after not taking the care package out either, 'cause the bloke in the shop was like, do you need the care package in case you crash it? I was like, no, mate. Half an hour later, boom. So I've now got to send it back to the Netherlands, apparently. So I boxed that up, sent it back to them. They're going to see what's wrong with it, because obviously I feel as though there is an issue, because I've been flying drones quite a long time now. So, you know, we'll see what happens. So I'll keep everybody updated on that. The next thing I'm going to do, we're going to go have a go in the loading shovel, loading the muck spreader. This'll drown my sorrows. We're now taking the 30-ton loading shovel to the muck heap. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end the video there. This is to be continued. Loading the muck spreader with this massive loading shovel. I don't want to put too much in the bucket. I don't want to go and bend the muck spreader in half. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments about what happened to the drone, and I will see you all soon.